supposed to be an ant in there. No.
Your shift
No,
key
that's
doesn't
a
work.
two. Oh, we go.
Oh, shift key doesn't work.
What's your password?
Stop! Stop it!
Oh, accident. Oh, you're retarded.
No, it's just hard to do. Okay. What are you doing? You take me this whole damn thing. I hate you, Jenna Markley. I hate you, Jenna Markley. Get out of here.
Should have known that was going.
I don't even know how to spell this, so I always...
Ridiculous.
Is that right? That one's right, right?
Yeah, it's spell check for it.
Could you stop? Please?
Do something ridiculous.
I don't even know I like it. That's what you wanted to say this whole time?